What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you some ways or some tips to make a foolproof WordPress security increase. So here I'm on my WordPress dashboard, and the first thing I'd recommend is to, of course, that's obvious, create a strong password for your admin account. So you don't want to choose a password that is easy to guess or short. Make sure your password is strong enough. Now the second thing is to make sure you update WordPress often, and you go here to the plugins and view the installed plugins, and if you see any plugin that is out of date, just go ahead and update it. So here I'm scrolling through like all the plugins that I have, and seems like all of them are up to date as of now. The third thing is to install like a firewall or a security plugin in order to secure your account even more. So doing so, go to plugins, add new plugin, and then search for security. Now there are a couple of plugins that you can use to do so. I prefer to use, or I would recommend to use, ones such as WordFence Security, Firewall, Malware Scan, and Login Security. Install now, then activate. And once it's installed and active, you can go ahead and access the settings. So go back to my main dashboard, and if you scroll down here, you should see WordFence right here. Go to Firewall. You can go to the main dashboard to set up from scratch. Okay, you can resume installation of a license. Okay, now this is my main dashboard. You can upgrade to premium or go to support forms. Now let's go to Firewall. Okay, you can set up the firewall. Okay, resume installation. You can set up a firewall or see what you want to block. And in the scan, you can scan for malware or anything wrong with your account. Of course, this is it needs a license right now. So these are the firewall settings. You can manage firewall. You can upgrade to premium to have more protection. And here you have tools, you have login securities, you have all options, and you can upgrade to premium from here.